Hello everyone. In this video we will see what is data blending and what is cross database joins. We will also see when should we go for data blending or cross database joins. Data blending is nothing but combining the data from multiple sources. It is ideal to use data blending when the data is at different levels of granularity. For example, here we have the target and actual sales information in two different workbooks. If you see the target file data, we have the region and target columns. So the lowest level of the data is at the region level. So let's see the data in the actual sales information file. So here we have the data. We have four columns: ID, category, region, and sales. So the level of data is at the ID level. So the two files, actual sales information and the target files, are at two different levels. So in this scenario it is ideal to use data blending. So if we go for joins, we have to join on a region level, which will duplicate the information if we join on the region. So now we have to load the two data sources separately. The first field coming from the source becomes the primary source. Here the field region is coming from the sheet 1 of target file. So this source becomes the primary source, indicating blue tick mark. Drag and drop the sales from actual data source file, and this becomes the secondary data source. The relationship between the primary and the secondary data sources is established automatically when the field names from the secondary and primary sources are same. So if you see here, the link in orange color represents the two data sets are now joined on. If Tableau has identified the relationship wrongly, we can also edit the relationship by going to data, edit relationship, then click on the custom and choose edit. Here we can choose the primary field name and secondary field name. Data blending always performs the left join. So if you want the right join, then we have to switch the primary to secondary, secondary to primary sources. What is cross database join? It is the new feature introduced in Tableau 10th version. Before cross database joins, we have to do the data blending if we want to combine two data sources. So this feature helps to overcome some of the limitations in data blending, like we cannot use some of the functions like count, distinct, median, like that. So when should we use cross database joins instead of data blending? Let's consider this actual sales information is coming from MySQL database. Since I don't have the database installed in my system, I am showing it in Excel. So, and consider this target file we are having in an Excel file. If you see, the level of data in the targets file is at the ID level, and the level of data in the actual sales table is at the ID level. So the level of granularity in the both the tables is same. So in this case we can go for cross database joins instead of data blending. Cross database joins is similar to the joins. The only difference is here that the sources are different. So identify the joining column from the both tables. Unlike data blending, when we use cross database joins, the data source is comes as a single source, and same is applicable to all the sheets. I hope now you have understood the difference between data blending and cross database joins. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.